G'day guys, today I thought I'd just show you how to make a couple of plant pots or plant pot holders out of old roofing iron. I'll show you what we're going to make and the end result if you like. This is them. You can make any height you like. Fill it with soil, the smaller ones if you like, or potting mix and plant the plant straight into it. Or with the taller ones you can just get a plant pot, plant in it, stick it inside, something like that. I'll take you around and just show you a couple of finished ones I've done around here. Bit of a garden around here I made this year. The grass was dying, too shady, so I put a bit of a garden bed in here. You can see them there. This one here I've just got a few bromeliads in it. That one there, it's a ground cover, can't think of the name. It's got a pretty pink flower, so I thought I'd probably trail over the side. And there's an orchid in that one, and I've got a bromeliad and another orchid tied to the side of it. You can use rusty iron, colour bond. The bits we're going to use in a minute are colour bond. You can paint them, I guess. Just adds a bit of height to your garden. You can put, if it's a sunny spot, you can put annuals in them. I say again, ground cover, annual ground cover. You let it trail over the sides. Do all sorts with it. Just adds a bit of interest. So we'll just show you how we make them. Okay. I'll just show you first what tools we need. This is a nibbler attachment for your drill to cut the corrugated iron. You could use a decent set of tin snips, an angle grinder I suppose if you want. This is fairly easy. You can use it on a cordless drill. I'm going to use an electric drill because the slower the revs, the slower it cuts. So the electric drill, faster revs, faster cut. We'll cut it with that, and once we've got it cut, we'll actually clamp. You'll see me clamp the edges with the two clamps. You can, if you haven't got clamps like that, you can just use a piece of rope with a loop like that. Tighten it up, tie it up, and finally we'll just use the cordless drill and some stitching screws, button head stitching screws for metal. You could drill and rivet it if you want, but I just find these a lot easier. So here we go. Safety gear on first. Gloves. Actually, what I might do is just measure it up. We'll just cut it directly in half. So we'll just measure it up. Got a texter here, Sharpie. Need us just mark it 500. I'll show you can make it any size you like. Depends on the scraps of timber you get, I suppose. Again, it's not crucial you cut in a straight line as long as it's nice enough. You can put your cut edge down on the ground anyway. It's a bit wonky. Okay. Just fits in your drill like that. Look at that. There's your punch there. The safety gear on. There we go. Just put a foot on it. That's it. Oh, you can pick these nibbler attachments up for anywhere between $20 and $100. I think there's various qualities. I've had this one for years. Okay, we've got a bit of tin cut in half. What do you want to do here? You want to finish with that rounded edge on the outside. That's where it comes over rather than up. So make sure that goes on the inside and we roll it. Okay, we'll just roll it up. We're going to make this fit probably an 8-inch pot. I think it's a good size. You can roll it tight if you want, make it 4-inch. So we'll just make sure it fits all right. That's roughly pretty good. Seems to be good. Just flip it over and line it up pretty much. Put your clamp. Right. Okay. Screws. 4 screws in. You can drill and pop rivet if prefer, but I just find it's easier. Screw already there. Okay, so just it's in the top. Don't put too much pressure on. It'll do its work. There's one in. Can happen, you put too much pressure on. Right. And again. We're done. So it's unlucky. Lucky last. There you go. So one useless bit of scrap tin in the something useful, I guess. Right at the top. They're shorter, you could probably fill that with dirt if you want to, but you'll probably lose a lot of moisture, you know. So if it's in a sunny spot, it'll probably dry out pretty fast as well. There you go. I'll say you can paint them if you want, wherever you like them. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Catch you later.